Welcome! If you're looking to reach more local customers and let people know where your business operates, adding a service area to your Facebook page is a must. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to add a service area to your page on Facebook using your PC, all updated for the latest version. Let's get started. First, open up your preferred web browser and head over to Facebook. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look at the top right corner of your screen and click on your profile photo. This will bring up a menu where you can see all the pages you manage. Now find and select the page you want to update. Once you're on your page, look for the menu on the left side and click on the About section. This is where all your business details are stored, and it's the place to make your page as informative as possible for your customers. Scroll down until you see the option that says Add Service Area. Click on it. A search bar will appear, allowing you to type in the neighborhoods, towns, or cities where your business provides services. Start typing the name of the area you want to add, and Facebook will suggest matching locations. Click on the correct one, and it will be added to your service area list. You can add multiple locations if your business covers more than one area. Once you've added all the relevant locations, don't forget the most important step: click Save. This will update your page, and your service areas will now be visible to anyone who visits your Facebook page. That's it. You've just made it easier for local customers to find your business and know exactly where you operate. Keeping your service area up to date is a great way to connect with your community and attract new clients. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on making the most out of your Facebook business page. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.